BAKALON is Chicago Metallic's name for the high-strength aluminum pans with the durable, dark gray, hard coat anodized surface. The surface of BAKALON pans will not chip, peel, rust, or interact with food. The BAKALON surface is not a painted coating, but an integrated surface of aluminum oxide, tough enough to resist the use and abuse of commercial kitchens. In fact, with proper seasoning, BAKALON pans will perform like a non-stick coating that can never be scratched off. A perfect bake can be achieved every time with a BAKALON pan because the dark color of its surface absorbs radiant heat in the oven. That, coupled with the heat transfer characteristics of the aluminum pan core, results in faster baking times, even at lower temperatures. Seasoning of your BAKALON pan before its first use is very important to the pan's release characteristics and will help to prevent staining of the pan surface. Here's how you should do it. Oil the inside of the baking pan and then place it in the oven at your normal baking temperature. Leave the pan in the oven until the oil is hot and flows evenly into the microscopic pores of the pan's surface. The daily cleaning of your BAKALON pan is simple, and much like that of any other pan. First, you should try to clean as you go. Wiping still warm pans with a clean towel, or a towel that has pan lubricant on it, usually provides adequate cleaning. If you do need to wash your pans, step 2. Only use pH-neutral soap, such as a pink pot and pan detergent. Many BAKALON users only wash them at the end of the day. Do not use highly acidic cleansers or alkaline detergents. Use of these chemicals will damage the BAKALON surface and can actually destroy the inner core of aluminum. Finally, you should re-season your pans as discussed earlier in the pre-seasoning process. Keep in mind that used pans may require the addition of oil prior to panning your product, but you should use only enough to achieve the required bake characteristics. And many recipes include enough oil in the recipe so that additional oiling may not be needed. With proper daily cleaning, the interior of your BAKALON pan should not require any additional procedures. However, at some point, it may become necessary to scrub down the outside surface of the pan. For this process, we recommend using a food service grade scrubbing pad. Because BAKALON pans have a very hard surface, the pan will not be damaged by scrubbing. Be sure to use a pH-neutral detergent, since use of highly alkaline or highly acidic cleaning compounds will ruin the surface. Following these use and care guidelines will ensure that you will be able to protect and prolong the life of your BAKALON pans.